Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary, I said the legendary, Ford F-250s. That's right, the 250s are ready to put those toes to the fire and those feet to the pavement and get that yappa dabba going. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy F-250s down, or will the F-250s take that mighty, mighty powered stroke and stroke their way to hell and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. There go that big boy 250. Ford F-250s are in the building. That look like a King Ranch version too, if I'm not mistaken. Ain't that a King Ranch, y'all? I see that big old platinum back. It's either a platinum or a King Ranch. I'm thinking it's a King Rancho. Here we go. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my diesel toes, devil. I hope you're ready. It's definitely a King Ranch. Big boy. How is a diesel truck moving that fast? Ain't no way, man. What's wrong with my semi? It don't move like this. Look how fast that truck is going. That is a diesel. Look how fast that truck leaving them. Look how fast he leaving them. He is in a diesel truck, y'all. This is insane. He moving like he in a Hellcat. It's definitely tuned. Yee-haw! King Ranch style. Look how fast he moving in the King Ranch diesel. Y'all didn't tell me the power stroke was like that. Y'all did not tell me the power stroke was like that. That is crazy. I would have never guessed that truck can accelerate like that. What Robin say? Jump at Jehoshaphat's, Batman. That truck is fast. Woo, he going to the dealership? Man, he moving in that truck. I am impressed. This is crazy, man. Ain't no way he only doing 60. You doing 89 and he leaving you. So how is he doing 60? Man, he going way faster than 100. Ain't no way that's just 100. Y'all think he just doing 100? You can't even see him no more. That's crazy. I need to forget a TRX. I need one of these. I ain't getting no more TRXs. I'm getting a power stroke. Big boy. That's a whole lot of power. He didn't turn? I'm finna say. Man, this is crazy. How is a diesel truck moving like this? Y'all ain't tell me, man. I've been getting the wrong kind of trucks. I didn't get a diesel. That took off like a TRX. He definitely got a def delete on that. That ain't got no def on it. Them King Ranches don't play no games. I can't even see it no more. Where did he go? He disappeared like your wife disappeared every day when you go to work. She go to work too with her nasty ass. I can't, is that him? Okay, he caught back up to him. He must have slowed down and got comfortable. What y'all taking, the King Ranch or the TRX? Let me know. I'm taking the King Ranch 250. Uh-oh, he hawked him down. 105. Yeah, you can't be trying to take no turns now. You in the King Ranch, you ain't in the Camaro. You in the King Ranch, man, you ain't in the Camaro. But when he get on that straightaway, he gets busy. I wonder if this truck is governed. If it's got a delete, then it can't be governed. He's just slowing down. I think he's scared. He's surprised the truck can move this fast. Cause damn it, I'm surprised too. Oh my goodness, this truck is nimble for its size. This got great handling. Yeah, I need to get me a 250. The King Ranch is about 130 though, ain't they? They like 130,000 for a 250. They not cheap. If you ain't impressed by this King Ranch, it must take a lot to impress you, because I'm impressed. He should not be able to pit this truck easily. Don't let him get behind you. Don't let him get near you, because he can get you just because of the angle. Stay in front of him. Man, the handling on this truck is superb. Look at the handling. Get out the way, punk. Move, bitch. He ran that truck right off the road. That person in that gray truck made the right decision, because he would have been a pop can. This is the best King Ranch commercial I ever seen. This is the best 250 King Ranch commercial out there on the streets right now. Oh, what was he thinking? You knew you was not going over that big old cinder block. He getting footy. Twin turbo diesel toes. Power stroke toes.
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands. Put your hands. Cup him. Shut up. Shut up. You won't roll like that. Stand by.
Hit him with the taser, man. That's my thing. Tase his ass for tearing up that beautiful truck. How dare you tear that beautiful truck up? Look how nice that truck is, y'all. How he gonna tear that? What made him think he can go over that big old cinder block? Not even a semi could have went through that. It didn't take much damage, considering it did hit that cinder block though. I'm impressed. 5-star rating. Man, that's a beautiful truck. He just tore it up, man. I never thought about getting a 250 King Ranch until today. Chad Ookie got me wanting to buy one. Hold on, is that a Chad Ookie? Yeah, that's a Chad Ookie. He got the chain on and everything. Chad Ookie got his hat to the back. He definitely a Ookie. Chad Ookie, man, I love you, man. Showing the world it ain't just Pookies. It's also Chad Ookies. Now, we all knew that it was going to be a Chad Ookie in that truck. We know darn well Pookie is not tearing up something like that. Pookie wouldn't dare have his butt in something like that. But Chad Uki, he don't care. He'll get another one next week. Oh, they did tase him. I want to say this, though. Let me say this. How is Chad Uki's hat still on? He did all that running, all that tussling, and that hat is still to the back. Can't nobody wear a hat to the back better than a Chad Uki. That hat ain't moved not once. How tight does he got that hat on? Cutting off the circulation. Gonna have an aneurysm, that hat so tight on his head. Unbelievable, right? It wasn't the usual suspects, right? I want the people to be in the comments. I want the people that always say usual suspects. I want to see what you got to say today. Look at Chad Uki. He exhausted. Look like he been drinking Dookie juice all night. Francisco said, I'm going in the woods, baby. You on your own. Francisco said, go your own way. Don't follow me. Go your own way. Come on, look at Buddy right here. Come on, Buddy. How you pass the physical test, man? Ain't no more test? You could be built any kind of way to be a cop now? It ain't no more test? I thought it was a physical test. They don't do those no more? I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure he can't do 25 push-ups. I mean, I could be wrong. So you ain't got past no test to be a cop. You just sign up and you in there. They hurting that bad? They hurting that bad? How did he make it? He knows somebody. He knows somebody that knows somebody. I ain't trying to talk about Buddy, but I'm just saying how he passed the physical test. Ain't it supposed to be a physical test every year to be a police officer? I'm just asking. He was charged with a fleeing felony, fleeing on foot, failure to maintain control of the vehicle, criminal mischief, first degree, leaving scene of an accident involving personal injury or death, reckless driving, and improper lane change. He'll be out tomorrow. He really get charged. In the comments, I did not expect that F-250 to be moving like that. I did not think a F-250 could do that. Today was the day I just fell in love with a King Ranch. I did not know they moved like this. Why did y'all tell me the King Ranch was really like that? I see why the Ford boys love it. Built Ford tough. I understand why they say that, because this thing was crazy. Look at the acceleration on this thing. Check this out. Look at it. Pulling away from him. Insane. That truck should not be this fast. But with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, meet me in those comments. And if you got a little bit of time, drop me a couple of hype points in the Avengers Cup. If you got any hype points left over for your boy, the King Werewolf, drop a couple of them in my Avengers Cup. I would very, very, very much appreciate it. But with that being said, don't you hesitate to hit that like button again. And hey, subscribe to the channel if you want to be part of the Werewolf Pack. And let me leave y'all with some positivity. Let me say something to you. And listen good. A GPS never says you're going the wrong way. You know what it says? Recalculating. You know what that means? You can recalculate too. You could be going the wrong way, but you can recalculate your life. You can change your life. There's never a wrong way. You just gotta recalculate, like the GPS said. When has a GPS ever told you you're going the wrong way? It always said, let's recalculate and we can get you to your destination. We just gotta take a different route. It may be a longer route. It may be an even shorter route, but we gonna get you to your destination. As long as you're willing to travel that road, you can get there, is what I'm saying. Don't give up on yourself. Recalculate. You hear me? Recalculate. You can do it. All you gotta do is believe in yourself and see the prize at the end of the road. You can get there. just recalculate. I love you. I always want to see you winning. I'm always rooting for you because y'all root for me. By all means, I will always try to guide you in the right path, help you make the right decisions, and always try to entertain you and make you laugh a little bit and take you away from this stressful, hateful world that they call Earth. I love you. And with that being said, if you are going to be a menace to society, a diabolican, and you want to get real treacherous with it, I'm talking about downright sinister, you might want to what? Get you a Ford F-250 and power stroke your way to heaven.